Hey everyone, I'm Fernando. Welcome to Host2B Academy. Today, I'll show you how to round the checkout button in Shopify. First, access the Shopify dashboard. On the left, click the online store button. Just click it. The themes page opens. Find your theme. Click the three-dot button. A menu appears. Click Edit Code. This opens your theme's file page. In the filter, search for base.cs. You'll see a file named base.cs. Click it to open your store's style script. This contains all your store's appearance code. We'll scroll to the very bottom of this script. Just go all the way down. At the end, you'll see a blank line. Skip 2 lines. Next, we'll visit hosttube.net. The link's in the description. That's where we'll find the code we need. Simply go to the script option and click the copy button. After copying, head back to Shopify and paste it into the blank line we left. Once pasted, look for the save button in the top right corner. After clicking, your changes are saved successfully. Now, when you check your store's cart page, you'll see the checkout button is nicely rounded. I hope this video was helpful. Bye!